What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today we'll be making some homemade macaroni and cheese. Y'all, usually I use the store-bought cheese, but this one is so much better. Okay, so before we get started, I need y'all to go ahead right there. Click that subscribe button if you ain't already. Then hit the notification bell. Then I need you to drop down a little bit lower and give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna give you a little time to do that. Okay, thank you. So the first thing I did was shredded my cheese and got my noodles going. I followed the directions on the back of the noodle package and I shredded all of the cheese. I did not use all of the cheese, but I shredded all of it. What I didn't use, I put in the refrigerator. So to make the sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of milk, your cheese, salt, pepper, and I use Slap Your Mama seasoning. So in a pan over medium-high heat, I melted my butter. Once my butter was melted, I poured in my flour. You gotta cook the raw taste off the flour, so I stirred it for about 2 minutes. Once that was done, I poured in the milk and I added the cheeses. And what you're not gonna see me do off camera, but I did, I added about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. You can definitely see a difference after 2 minutes. So once it got that consistency, I just added in my milk, got that all mixed together, and then I added in my cheese. I used 1 cup of the cheddar and then 1 cup of the Colby Jack. If you decide to use a 3rd type of cheese or a 4th type of cheese, that is okay. This is your macaroni. I'm just showing you how I made mine. After I got that cup of cheddar melted, I added in the Colby Jack. And then I added in my seasonings. I used about a teaspoon and a half of pepper, a teaspoon and a half of salt, and I'll say I used about 2 teaspoons of the Slap Your Mama. Also, you're not going to see me add in the sour cream, but I did add in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. So you can do that right here as well. Once you've added all your seasonings and ingredients, just taste your cheese. Make sure it's to your liking. If you need to add more seasoning, do so. If you need to thin it out, add more milk. But that's just how simple it is making the cheese sauce. You can see me there checking the consistency, and it was okay to me. So I got my cooked noodles over here, and I'm just gonna get the cheese, pour it over it, stir it, and then I have a non-stick dish that I'm just gonna pour it in. Now I got everything all mixed up. I'm going to pour it over in my non-stick dish. And then I'm going to top it with the leftover cheese that I have. Once I got everything mixed up and poured in the dish, I just topped it with the leftover cheese. I had my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I covered it with some aluminum foil. I baked it for 20 minutes covered. And then I took it out, uncovered it, and put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. And it was bomb. Like, bomb.